Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today's video is all about how to lock and unlock your Chime card in 2025. If you're a Chime user, you know how important it is to protect your finances from potential fraud, and this feature is a game changer. Let's dive right in. First, a quick refresher. Chime is a user-friendly online banking app that offers fee-free accounts and a debit card with built-in security features. In 2025, they've made locking and unlocking your card even simpler with updated app interfaces. To get started, make sure you have the latest version of the Chime app installed on your smartphone. Open the app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the main dashboard. Look for the card icon. It's usually at the bottom or top of the screen. Tap on it to access your card details. Now, for locking your card, you'll see an option labeled Lock Card or Freeze Card. Tap that button, and the app will prompt you to confirm. Just hit Yes or Confirm, and your card will be instantly locked. This prevents any new transactions while keeping your account active for other features. Unlocking is just as straightforward. Go back to the same card section in the app, and you'll find an Unlock Card button right there. Tap it, confirm the action, and voila, your card is ready for use again. It's that simple and secure. A few pro tips. Always double-check for any pending transactions before locking, as this won't affect them, but it could save you from surprises. If you forget your login or run into issues, Chime's 24/7 support is just a chat away in the app. There you have it, locking and unlocking your Chime card in under a minute. This feature is perfect for when you're traveling, shopping online, or just being cautious. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech guides, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.